Hello everyone, welcome to Ritambhara Technology. Myself Preeti Singh, currently working with Bloomberg as Senior R&D Engineer based in London. Prior to this, I have worked with investment bank giant Goldman Sachs for 5 years, Manhattan Associate and Agile Technology for a couple of years. As far as academic is concerned, I did my masters from University of Delhi in computer applications. During our placement time, we hadn't had any such facility or program to guide us on what specific we should learn for our placement, and it was like lost in ocean and finding a big ship to rescue us. I would say that you all are really very lucky to get such a platform where number of industry experienced people are going to mentor you through this journey and guide you at each and every step. I would be part of your core sciences team providing online material and assignments. Welcome on board and all the very best. Thank you.